Welcome to your new AI team. Let's face it, running a business today feels like juggling a dozen rules all at once. You are the marketer, the salesperson, the customer service agent, the founder too. While tools have made life easier, they have also added complexity. We now spend hours setting up automations, writing emails, responding to leads, and trying to stay consistent online, all while attempting to grow. The problem, you are doing everything manually. Or worse, you're paying for help you can't afford to manage. Now imagine this instead. You have an AI assistant that replies to leads, sends personalized follow ups, schedules calls, creates contents, and nurtures clients 24 by 7. You don't have to hire more people. You just train your AI employee once and let it work like clockwork. Now that's the opportunity this course unlocks. You will learn to build your first AI employee using GoHighLevel plus ChatGPT. One that works for you, scales with you, and frees you up to focus on what truly matters. And here is what you will get in this course step by step. Understanding the AI employee concept, what it is, how it works, and why it is a game changer. Setting up your first AI workflow, a beginner friendly guide using GoHighLevel plus prompt frameworks. Real business use cases from lead generation and client onboarding to content and support. Ready-made templates, plug-and play automations to get started fast. Live examples, learn by watching real systems in action. And bonus tips, how to package this into a service and offer it to clients. You're not just learning theory here. You're building your first AI-powered team member. Someone who never calls in sick, never forgets to follow up, and never takes a vacation. By the end of this course, you will have a system that not only saves time, but also helps you scale your business faster and smarter. Do not forget to download your AI kit now. Set your first goal. What do I want my AI employee to do for me this week? Let's build your new dream team starting now.